Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to animate an explosion in Blender using Eevee. So I have set up a little scene here with these two cubes and an explosion right here, which I will use for demonstration. So just select this cube and add a keyframe and go to frame 10. It will just be something small, something small and fun. I hope fun for you guys. So yeah, let's go back to our cube and then press Alt G and then go to this cube, go back to frame 1, press I, go to frame 10, Alt G, and when you go back and then let's try to play. Let's hide this for now, not the script. Let's hide the smoke or the explosion. Okay, so let's make sure that the animation is a bit nice. So go to frame 3, S, X, and scale just a bit, just like this. Same for this cube, S, X, scale just a bit, and go to frame 8 and also scale, SX, scale just like that, and on this cube, SX, scale just like that. Okay, so when you play the animation, you see it doesn't look bad. Okay, so that's how you do it. One. And so now let's go to the explosion, go to frame 9. Okay, no, let's get back to the cube. So on frame 8 we are going to disable the render, disable in renders. So here on frame 8, press I on both of the cubes, and then on frame 10 just disable them like that, and then so that okay, so on frame 9 this is where the explosion will happen, and then just here on frame 9 scale it down just like that, and then press I to animate the location, rotation, and scale. And then on frame 10 you scale it up a bit just like this, and then go on frame 12, 1, 2, and then scale it up again just like this, just like that. Yeah, so there's the explosion, the cubes collide, and then an explosion happens. And then go to frame 48 and then scale it up a bit again, just like that. Okay, so we are going to go on frame 9, disable this, and then press I, and then on frame 10 press enable enable it in renders. Okay, so this is how the animation is going to go. You see? Okay, all right, so let's see how it looks in camera. So you go like that, and then so let's disable this, and then boom, let's explore it. If you want it to happen a bit faster, you can just bring this keyframe right here on frame 24. Yeah, and then and then when you play it, it happens like that. So that's how you animate an explosion in Blender Eevee. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.